Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Ahmad Fahmi. You can call me Fahmi. Today I will show you how to make avocado coffee. Material and tools that have been prepared between: first, there is a tablespoon. Second, there is a glass. Third, there is a avocado powder size 25 grams. Fourth, there is a coffee powder size 25 grams. Fifth, there is ice cubes sufficiently. And sixth, there is a milk size 100 milliliters. And seventh, there is a hot water flask. Steps are: the first, put the avocado powder into a glass and dissolve it with a hot water sufficiently. And stir with a tablespoon. Second, dissolve coffee powder with hot water sufficiently. And stir with a tablespoon. Then put into a glass. The third, put the ice cube sufficiently. And finally, put a milk sufficiently. And avocado coffee is ready to drink. Thanks for your attention. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.